we talked about the business of the Army. You're in your foxhole there. Give us an example of a program or a capability or what have you that you'd like to highlight in regards to unlocking some of this capability over there at the Army or tightening some things up.
Right. So keeping with the theme of finding manually intensive process,
Yes.
we sort of kind of integrate sort of the Chief of Staff, General George's sort of priorities is the soldier experience, right? How can we make it easier for the soldier experience, right? So just a really quick win. Mr. Garcia asked questions. And if he can't get these answers, he's going to dig in and figure out, well, is this a necessary process, right? So one of those things that we had Army training and certification tracking system, which was I would call it a repository where we would have to upload all our cyber awareness training. And sort of this is the way that we were to gain network access. And then after that, we would have to kind of fill out the SAR form, that DD, what is it, 2875, which is the system access, or I should say the system authorization access request. We would have everyone kind of fill out this form. You have to go to your supervisor. They would have to digitally sign it. You have to email. But you get it. It was a manually intensive process. And it
times
was
tens of thousands of soldiers. Yeah.
Yeah, you're fighting. So Mr. Garcia asked the question, why are we doing this? And,
Yes.
and there was this assumption that was a requirement for us to. So bottom line, Mr. Garcia came out and said, let's find a new way. So he kind of directed the Army, specifically NETCOM, to figure out a better solution. And what came out of that was this account validation system, AVS, where all you have to do is upload your information just one time. And sort of that gets into access management, access controls, to allowing the system owners to download that information, to allow the user to get access to those systems, vice hundreds of SAR forms being kind of distributed across the Army just so you can get access to this one system. So this was a really quick win. And I can tell you that, countless hours were saved just by that simple process of us looking at manually intensive process. And again, looking at the soldier experience and making it easier. And again, we came out with the Army validation system. So now what happens is you just upload your information once. System owners can grab whatever digital certifications you have and then allow you access to those systems that the users need.